So children, today I am going to explain you about the first topic of this chapter, that is cleanliness of our parts of body. Here I am going to explain you about how can we keep our body clean. Our body has many parts such as the head, eyes, ears, nose, teeth, tongue and hands. Dirt and germs stick to our body parts while working and playing. Germs are very small organisms that cause diseases. So, underline this one. Germs are very small organism that is cause of diseases. What is the cause of diseases? Germs are the cause of diseases. If germs get inside our body, they can make us ill. We must keep all the parts of our body clean to stay away from germs and remain healthy. Now, I am going to explain one by one how can we keep our body clean. Head. Use shampoo to wash your hair. This will be protect you from any kind of infection and head lice. Children, always wash your hair twice a week and always wash your head or hair with shampoo and water. Eyes. Eyes should be washed every day with cold water. Use soft cloth to remove dirt. If you find any irritation, then use boric acid to clean your eyes. Underline this one. Children, when you feel any irritation or itching in your eyes, you will use boric acid to clean your eyes. And are you seeing sometimes your mother and father using rose water to clean your eyes? So, you can clean your eyes with rose water also. Ears. Ears should be cleaned. Regularly remove dirt or wax in ears by using earbuds. Sometimes you are seeing some people are using pen or pencil to clean their ears. Children, it is very bad habit. Always use earbuds to clean your ears. Nose. Nose should be cleaned regularly using a handkerchief. If it is full with mucus, then blow your nose. Wash your hand after blowing. Always clean your nose with handkerchiefs, and when you blow your nose, you wash your hand with water. Teeth and tongue. Clean your teeth and tongue every day. Brush your teeth twice a day to stop germs from attacking your teeth and spoiling them. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Some children are very lazy. They don't want to brush their teeth. So, always remember brush your teeth twice a day, in morning and before going to bed. Hand. Wash your hands with soap and water to remove the dirt and microbes which are very harmful for our health. Always wash your hand after or before milk or touching anything or touching any waste, touching any animals, and after coming from outside you wash your hand with hand wash or soap, or you can use sanitizer also. Nails. Nails play a very important role in maintaining personal hygiene. The dirt gets stuck in long nails, which leads to generation of harmful bacteria. These bacteria enter into person's body while consuming food. Hence, nails should be cut regularly by using nail cutter. Keep them clean. Children, sometimes some people have long nails and there are so many germs and dirt stuck on their nails and they are not cleaning their nails. So, always cut your nails once a week regularly. Face. Wash your face with clean water and soap when you come back from outside after playing. We must take care of our body so that we do not get any kind of infection. So what I explain you now here, by this process you can clean your parts of body and never get any kind of infection. Here's something about cleaning of clothes. Listen carefully. Dirt clothes are the house of germs and dirt. Underline this one. Dirt clothes are house of germs and dirt. Always wear clean and iron clothes. Clothes should be dried in the sun. UV rays of the sun kill any kind of bacteria. Underline this line. It is very important. UV rays are kill any kind of bacteria present in the clothes. Always wear clean clothes and undergarments. Children, sometimes we are wearing dirt clothes and it is the cause of infection. So you always wear clean and iron clothes. So today homework for you, you will read 2 or 3 times this chapter and do fill in the blanks given in page number 95. Thank you.